Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Welcome back to Investing Tips. It's a fact that not a lot of people are wealthy. However, a person can become wealthy, irrespective of how they start out. Who's to say that a student who's struggling with loans now won't become a millionaire in the future? But for that to happen, you need to possess a set of skills that will set you apart. In this video, we've talked about just 10 of those skills that you have to possess to become a millionaire. Stick around to the very end, it's crucial that you learn all the skills. Number 10, networking. Think about it. The richest people in the world are also the most connected people. To be a millionaire, you have to build an extensive network of people. Building relationships is instrumental to success because different people in your network will contribute to your wealth with their time, money, skill, and insight. But you must build yourself up first as a reliable source to in turn attract reliable people. In your network, you can decide to have every skill relevant to your career or business within reach or just a phone call away. Millionaires do things differently and are masters at getting others to work for them. You would not need to employ everyone in your network, but their input is definitely going to be necessary. The great thing about networking is that the people you're looking for are also looking for you. You really don't see many wealthy people making friends randomly. They selectively choose people that are part of their circle. By doing this, they discover interesting opportunities and learn new things every time. Number 9, leadership. A very valuable skill to become a millionaire is leadership. Every wealthy person is a leader in their field. Somehow, leadership skills have become crucial to attaining financial success. A great quality about leaders is that they know when to take responsibility and they are able to take initiative during tough times. Teaching yourself to be a leader will teach you to make the best of every situation and to be forward-thinking. When testing times come, leadership skills will teach you how to ride the waves and feather the storm. Leaders are also able to inspire others and spur great ideas that lead to impressive financial success. Becoming a millionaire doesn't just happen overnight. It is going to be as a result of years of hard work and effort. If you're running your own business, you would need a team of people who share the same dream as you do. These people will have to be experts in their respective fields, and you would be their leader. To progress exponentially, leadership isn't just about giving orders. The experts will come to you with suggestions that affect the growth of your business or brand. Your guidance has to be forward-thinking and effective, or else your finances will suffer. Take some responsibility and see your results. Number 8, discipline. Succeeding in life is a continuous process. Discipline will give you the strength to keep progressing even when things are tough. You would keep putting one foot in front of the other regardless of market conditions, what people say, or any hardship that you may be facing. Without discipline, it would be difficult to accomplish even the simplest of tasks. You'll end up spending your money and time on irrelevant items, activities, and so on. So, what really is discipline? Discipline is the ability to correctly identify your goals and stick to them every day. Discipline will teach you how to choose your priorities. It will be easier for you to commit to activities with long-term benefits. Every day, your mindset will be to reduce the gap between your goals and reality. In theory, it may sound simple to stick to your goals. However, it isn't, and a lack of discipline could lead to failure. As you work to be a millionaire, it's challenging to keep putting in work for long durations. How do you develop your discipline? You can achieve discipline in these simple steps. Define what you want, evaluate why you want it, avoid distractions, assign tasks according to their level of priority, monitor your progress, and make sure you're accountable. It's recommended that you start with the simple tasks and work your way up. Good luck! Number 7, reading. You need to start reading today. It's no secret that successful people read many books. Wealthy people have a habit of reading and read many books each year. It may be possible to gain information from instructional videos and audiobooks, but there's an advantage of this skill. Reading has been proven to be more effective than videos and audiobooks because the brain processes the text differently. When you watch a video, the visualization of the information happens on the screen. When you read, the information is processed within and makes correlations to your internal memories and reality. You can gain so much by reading. Imagine learning the details of the success of a person's life by reading a book within 1 week. Reading is a great way to build yourself and develop your mind to focus more clearly on your fortune. Number 6, self-motivation. Any practical or realistic person will know that there will be tough moments on their path to being a millionaire. Yes, you will have friends and family around you to provide support, but things can quickly take a bad turn and you would need to pick yourself up. If you're unable to motivate yourself, things may become awful and you won't hit your targets. Self-motivation is the ability of a person to overcome obstacles in their mind and keep pushing forward in challenging circumstances. It is a voice in your head telling you that you can do it or you shouldn't bother. Self-motivation is a skill that will ensure that you pick yourself up to work without caring about anything. Your mind will be set on success and you will look for different ways to inspire yourself. If you check for the reason why so many people are unable to achieve desired levels of financial success, there is a high chance that it was due to a lack of self-motivation. Keep your spirits up, you'll go a long way. Number 5, maintaining focus. Maintaining focus can be hard, as we live in a world where attention is a new currency. There is a trend among people where it's increasingly hard to maintain focus because every day more and more distractions try to hook you in. Maintaining focus has to deal with one's aptitude to choose activities which will serve your ultimate goal over activities that feel good at the moment, but have little rewards for the long run. Carpe diem sounds good on paper, but it never leads to anyone who's built anything worth mentioning in their lives. How focused are you on your journey? Let's take yesterday or even today if you're watching this later in the day. Apart from watching this video, which actions did you take today which will impact your future? Break down for yourself what you did throughout the day, from the moment you woke up to the moment you want to sleep, or this moment right now. How many of them contribute to your journey? How many are just time being wasted? If you're able to do this, you'll be able to maintain focus on the right activities. Number 4, how to sell yourself or your brand. Basically, the faster and better ways you have of convincing others that what you have is of the time and value of your target audience, the closer to making money you get. Like every other field in life, you have to talk about what you have. Focus on the good things of your brand and make a point to get the best out of them. Selling has a bad reputation because most people think of it as a manipulation instead of rationalized persuasion. Everything you do in life is a form of selling, from the minute you're born when you're crying in order to get milk to the moment you die. Life is about interacting with others, and selling is just convincing someone of the merits of an exchange. If you learn how to do that, you have a shot at winning at life because you're going to have to sell a lot of people on a lot of things in your journey. Number 3, willingness to make sacrifices. This is where you realize that the lifestyle you want doesn't come for free. There will come a time where you need to sort out your priorities. When this happens, you have to be willing to sacrifice spending time or resources on whatever isn't important. There's a great saying that can explain this, which says, "The dream is free, the hustle is sold separately." Sure, it won't be easy, but it's going to be worth it if you're smart about it. Nothing can be achieved without sacrifice. Sometimes we even have to end up sacrificing more than we'd like, but it depends on the type of person you are and just how important winning is to you. If you're determined to become wealthy, it will be easier to sacrifice a lot of personal spending. You'll be more interested in investments and how to multiply your money. Number 2, create a wealth vision. A big step of becoming a millionaire is to actually create a vision for yourself financially. Einstein said that imagination is more important than knowledge. Arden said creativity is more important than experience. So, first ask these questions to yourself. How much imagination do you have for the future? Do you see huge potential and possibility for your life, or do you see a pretty average life? Creating a vision is an iterative process. You don't just create a vision once and then never look at it again. You continually create and write your vision every single day. Most people are living in and repeating the past. Having a vision is focused on the future. Your life and behavior immediately shift towards betterment when you begin to imagine a different future and stridently strive for it. Number 1, don't wait too long to change your goals. Meeting your goals are certainly big steps, but once you've done it, don't get stuck there for too long. Congratulate yourself and move on. Everything you've done has brought you to this point. What is the next big adventure? What does this situation call for? What does your imagination inspire? What's the next big mountain? One of the fundamental problems with success is that it becomes a trap. People who have succeeded big get stuck living in their past. They continue to explain themselves based on what they've done rather than what they're doing. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.